Okay, now we will see the home numericals based on the RTC. Okay, first see the numerical. The specimen of copper wire has temperature coefficient of 1 divided by 254.5 per degree Celsius at 20 degree Celsius. Find the temperature coefficient at 0 degree Celsius and at 60 degree Celsius. Okay, now see the formula. Now all of you know that basic formula. Alpha T is equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0, to which you derived in yesterday's homework, right? So we are having alpha 20 and we want alpha 0. Okay, so by putting the all values you will get alpha 0, and next by putting in next modify this formula for alpha 60. Alpha 60 is equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0 into 60. So modify karo, you will get alpha 60. This is first numerical. Okay, now come towards second numerical. Okay, what is the second numerical? At 0 degree Celsius, specimen of copper wire has its resistance equal to 4 milliohm and its temperature coefficient of resistance equal to 1 divided by 234.5 per degree Celsius. Find the value of its resistance and temperature coefficient of resistance at 70 degree Celsius. Okay, now as per the numerical, first temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, at that time resistance is 4 milliohm, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 ohm, and at that time the temperature coefficient of resistance RTC is 1 divided by 234. So this is your alpha 0. Okay, now consider next temperature is 70 degree Celsius. Okay, so and we have to find out R70 and alpha 70. Okay, now all of you know that the base one formula of resistance RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. This T is nothing but difference of temperature, correct? Or you can write R2 is equal to R1 into bracket 1 plus alpha 1 T2 minus T1. Okay, but in this case initial temperature is 0, therefore it T2 minus 0, T minus 0 is only T. So by putting the values, we have initial resistance, we have initial RTC, and we have final temperature, correct? T minus 0, that is T. 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, 1 plus 1 divided by 234.4 into 70 degree. So RT, that means your R70 is 519 milliohm. Okay. Now next, by using the relation alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 upon 1 plus alpha 1 T2 minus T1. In this case you can use this formula also. Okay, alpha T is equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0 T. Why this is only T? Because initial temperature is 0. In this case initial temperature is T1. Okay, compare these two formulas, first numerical and second numerical formula. Alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1. In this case alpha 2 alpha 1, यहाँ पे alpha t and alpha 0 both formulas are same, only initial and final condition are different. Okay, so alpha 70 is equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0 T2 minus T0. T0 is 0 degree Celsius. So you will get the temperature, you will get the alpha 70 as 3.284 into 10 to the power minus 3, and unit is per degree Celsius.